Hi, I'm here at Brothers National Convention, and I'm so excited about a brand new upgrade for the Brother XP1. It offers so many new features. I never thought this machine could get any better, but let me spend some time to explain my favorites right now.
There are so many features on the new ultimate upgrade for the Luminaire XP1. Create couching embroidery with 40 patterns in the new couching embroidery foot. Add beautiful accents to your quilts with the new couching accessory for the digital dual feed. The enhanced auto split feature connects multiple hoopings to create large sashing borders and connects them perfectly every time. A new application for your smartphone will monitor your embroidery progress from anywhere within your Wi-Fi network. Attention quilters, now the Luminaire XP1 has a true hand type stitch using only forward movements. This gives you much greater cornering capability. 6 new decorative fills has been added to my design center, plus a new light fill function gives a more realistic effect to your quilting in the hoop. The scanning function has been improved. This gives you the ability to scan and place your stitches directly on the fabric. This rivals even the best long arm quilting machines. Now it's even easier to scan in artwork to create embroidery designs instantly that will amaze everyone. And with new selection features, you can edit your artwork and arrange it to give you unlimited capability.
I think you'll agree this machine is totally amazing, and now with the new upgrade, it's better than ever. Stop by a Moore's location today and come by and see the new Luminaire XP1 and its great new ultimate upgrade.